Which personal blender is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the real answers. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 blenders that will make your smoothie game strong. Product number 1, Ninja Fit Compact Blender. First up is the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. Priced at $69.99, this little powerhouse caught my attention with its compact design and solid 700-watt motor. If you want a compact blender that makes smoothies on the go, this is worth a serious look. It also has two 16-ounce cups, perfect for blending and taking your drinks anywhere. With over 41,700 reviews and a solid 4.7-star rating, it's clear that many people are satisfied with their purchase. Plus, the ability to unlock nutrients from whole fruits ensures you're not missing out on any health benefits. Now, some people complained about the plastic cups not being as durable as they'd like. Here's the thing though, for a personal blender that's meant to be lightweight and portable, I think it strikes a great balance. If you're careful with them, they'll do just fine. This is perfect for you if you need a quick, convenient way to blend smoothies at home or on the go. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty option for large volumes. Overall, you're getting great value for your money here. Now, if the Ninja Fit's plastic cups concerned you, this next one takes a completely different approach with even more power. Product number 2, Ninja Nutri Blender Pro. Next is the Ninja Nutri Blender Pro, priced at $79.97. Its sleek silver design caught my eye, but what really stood out was the 1100 peak watt motor. If you're serious about smoothies, this one is worth a serious look. This blender doesn't just blend, it pulverizes ice in seconds, which means you can whip up creamy drinks and sauces with ease. The Auto IQ technology allows you to blend with the touch of a button, taking all the guesswork out of the process. And it comes with two 24-ounce cups, making it easy to take your smoothies with you. With over 11,300 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, users rave about its powerful performance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It can break down those tough ingredients you might normally avoid, giving you a nutrient-rich drink. Now, some buyers noted that it can be a bit noisy during operation. I'll be real with you, it's true, but the power it delivers makes it worth the noise, especially if you're blending tough ingredients. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful blender that can handle everything from smoothies to salsas. Skip this one if you prefer something quieter for early morning blends. For the price, you're getting fantastic performance that's hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, Ninja Nutri Plus. Coming in third is the Ninja Nutri Plus Personal Blender, priced at $78.74. What I loved about this one is the 3 included 20-ounce cups, giving you plenty of options. If you want a blender that's great for meal prep and on the go, this one deserves a look. With a 900 peak watt motor, it's powerful enough to handle even frozen ingredients. The Pro Extractor Blades assembly ensures you get maximum nutrient extraction, making those smoothies not just delicious, but also packed with health benefits. Plus, cleanup is a breeze since all parts are dishwasher safe. With a 4.6-star rating from over 5,500 reviews, it's clear that this blender holds its own. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The push-to-blend feature lets you easily control the consistency of your drinks. Some users mentioned that the blending time can take a bit longer than expected. But honestly, for a personal blender, I think it strikes a good balance of power and ease of use. This is perfect for you if you like to prep multiple smoothies at once. Skip this one if you're looking for a high-capacity blender for large batches. Overall, it offers great value for the price. Now, if you're after even more innovative features, the next blender on our list has you covered. Product number 4, NutriBullet Personal Blender. Next up is the NutriBullet Personal Blender, which is priced at $60.99. This one really caught my attention with its essential design and powerful 600-watt motor. If you're new to blending or looking for something simple to use, this is worth a look. The NutriBullet is designed for effortless blending, turning fruits and veggies into smooth, sippable nutrition in seconds. With a capacity of 24 ounces, it's great for personal-sized smoothies. Plus, it's incredibly easy to clean and all parts are dishwasher safe. This model boasts a 4.6-star rating from over 54,500 reviews. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's perfect for those busy mornings when you want to blend and go. On the downside, some people found it doesn't handle ice as well as the more powerful blenders. But I'll be real with you, if you're mainly blending soft fruits and leafy greens, it's perfect for your needs. This is ideal for you if you want a budget-friendly option that's still effective for daily smoothies. Skip this one if you plan on making frozen drinks frequently. For the price, it's a great entry-level blender. Now, if you need something with a bit more power, the last product on our list is definitely worth considering. Product number 5, Ninja Blend Boss Trademark. Finally, we have the Ninja Blend Boss Trademark priced at $109.99. This one stands out with its 1200 peak watt motor and sleek design. If you want top-tier performance for smoothies and frozen drinks, this is worth a serious consideration. What's cool about this blender is the leak-proof flip cap, making it perfect for taking your drinks on the go. The 3 Auto IQ programs take the guesswork out of blending, whether you're making smoothies, crushing ice, or just blending up a quick dip. It's designed to fit comfortably in your cup holder too, which is a nice touch. It's received an impressive 4.8-star rating from 670 reviews, which is telling you something. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The total crushing power ensures a smooth blend every time, no matter the ingredients. However, some users mentioned it's a bit larger than typical personal blenders. Here's the thing though, if you want power and versatility, it's worth the extra space. This is perfect for you if you want a feature-packed blender that can do it all. Skip this one if you need something more compact for small kitchens. It's a strong investment for anyone serious about their blending needs. To wrap it up, we've covered a variety of personal blenders today, from the compact Ninja Fit to the powerhouse Ninja Blend Boss Trademark. Whether you're looking for portability, power, or simplicity, there's something for everyone. Make your choice based on what fits your lifestyle best, and happy blending.